In previous video, we have learnt about the prime and the composite number. Let us revise it. What is prime number and composite number? So prime number are those which has exactly two distinct factors. That means ऐसे numbers जिनके सिर्फ exactly two, ना कम ना ज़्यादा, two factors होंगे, वो भी अलग अलग. That means 1, because we know that 1 is a factor of every number, and the number itself. So these two factors only. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, and so on. So these are the prime numbers because these numbers have only exactly two distinct factors. And composite numbers are those which has more than two factors. जिनके 2 से ज़्यादा factors होंगे उन्हें हम बोलते हैं composite numbers, like 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12 and so on. Because इनके एक तो 1 और ये किसी और के भी टेबल में ज़रूर आते होंगे. अपने टेबल में दैट मीन्स अपने टेबल में और 1 के टेबल में तो हर एक नंबर आता है, बट किसी एक और नंबर के टेबल में आते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 4 comes in the table of 2, 2 2s are 4, 6 comes in the table of 2 again, 2 3s are 6, and also in the table of 3. तो अगर किसी एक के भी टेबल में आ जाए तो it becomes a composite number. 8, and I told you that always remember that except 2 के अलावा बाकी सारे even numbers composite होते हैं because वो 2 के टेबल में आते हैं. So all the even numbers are composite numbers except 2 को छोड़ के, और बाकी बहुत सारे odd numbers, बाकी odd numbers भी composite हो सकते हैं बहुत सारे. Now, for example, 9 is an odd number, but it is a composite because it comes in the table of 3. 3 3s are 9, so it is a composite number. And about 1 is an exception. It is neither prime nor composite because it has only one factor, that is 1. इस 1 का एक ही फैक्टर है, that's why ये न प्राइम की कैटेगरी में आता है और ना ही कंपोजिट की कैटेगरी में. So it is an exception. Now today we will discuss and learn what is prime factorization. Prime factorization. Or yesterday also I have told you that understand this prime numbers and composite numbers carefully because it will help you in the next exercises. जिसको प्राइम नंबर समझ में नहीं आया वो ये प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन नहीं कर सकते. एंड ऑल्सो लर्न द प्राइम नंबर्स, स्टार्टिंग प्राइम नंबर्स 10 और 15 प्राइम नंबर्स आपको लर्न होने चाहिए. वाई? फॉर दिस प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. नाउ व्हाट इज प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन? लेट अस टेक अ नंबर, सपोज 12. Now it can be written in many ways. For example, 1 12s are 12, or 2 6s are 12, or 3 4s are 12, or 2 into 2 into 3. So all the factors in सब cases में क्या है? Here you can see that यहाँ पर 12 is a composite number. 2 and इनमें से एक ना एक क्या है आपका? Composite number है. 2 is a prime and 6 is composite. 3 is a prime, 4 is composite. 1 neither prime nor composite, and 12 is a composite number. But in this case, 2 is a prime number. Again 2 is a prime number. And 3 is also a prime number. Now 3 2 is 6 and 6 2 is 12. So जब हम किसी भी नंबर को इस तरह से ब्रेक करते हैं so that इसके सारे जो हैं फैक्टर्स वो कैसे हों, प्राइम हो, जिनको मल्टीप्लाई करके वो नंबर आ जाए, तो ऐसे फैक्टर्स को हम बोलते हैं प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. अगर हम किसी भी नंबर को प्राइम फैक्टर्स में ब्रेक कर देते हैं तो उसे हम बोलते हैं प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. सो यू हैव टू learn which are prime numbers and which are composite numbers. So here 2, 2, 3. So all these three factors are prime. And इनको multiply करें तो हमारे पास वापस क्या आ जाता है 12. So the prime factorization of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. So prime factorization in which every factor is prime is called prime factorization of a number. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ अ नंबर मीन्स कि उसके सारे फैक्टर्स जो होंगे वो प्राइम होंगे और जिनको मल्टीप्लाई करके हमारे पास वो नंबर आ जाएगा. सो लेट अस ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस बाय डूइंग वर्कशीट नंबर 8 हियर. हियर प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ 28 इज, यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट दैट इनमें से कौन सा है जो प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन है 28 का. फर्स्ट वन, प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन क्या होता है, जैसे मैंने अभी बताया कि उसके सारे फैक्टर्स क्या होने चाहिए, प्राइम नंबर्स होने चाहिए. अगर उनमें से एक भी फैक्टर अगर प्राइम नहीं है तो इट इज नॉट अ प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. सो हियर फर्स्ट one is 1 multiplied by 28. So 1 is neither prime nor composite. So and 28 is composite. So यहाँ पर आपका एक composite आ गया और एक ना तो prime है ना composite. So it is not a prime factorization. Because इस prime factorization के लिए आपके पास दोनों factor ही क्या होने चाहिए, prime numbers होने चाहिए. In second case 4 multiplied by 7. Here 4 is a composite number and 7 is a prime number. जैसे मैंने पहले भी बताया आपको, prime numbers learn कीजिए. Here 7 is a prime number, whereas 4 is not a prime, it is a composite. So it is not a prime factorization of 28. Why? Because इसमें 1 composite number आ गया. Come to the next one. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. So 7 2s are 14 and 14 2s are 28 और 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28. मल्टीप्लाई करके तो 28 आ रहा है and you can see that all the numbers are prime. All the factors are prime. 2 is a prime number, again 2 is a prime number and 7 is also a prime number. So this is the prime factorization of 28. You can see here इन सबको मल्टीप्लाई करके 28 ही आता है. 28 1s are 28, 7 4s are 28, 7 to 14 and 14 to 28, or 4 2 to 4, 4 7s are 28. So this is the prime factorization. Why? Because all its factors are prime. Here सारे factors prime नहीं है. In this also all the factors are not prime. Now the B part, the prime factorization of 42 is. Out of these 4 options you have to find out which one is the prime factorization of 42. Here 21 2s are 42 or 2 21s are 42. Here 2 is a prime number. And 21? What about 21? 21 is a prime or composite number? 21 is a composite number. Why? Because it comes in the table of 3 and 7 also. 3 7s are 21. So it is not a prime number, it's a composite number. So both its factors are not prime, so hence it is not a prime factorization. 21 composite हो गया इसलिए ये prime factorization नहीं है. Now second case 1 and 42. 42 1s are 42. 1 तो जब भी आएगा वो prime factorization हो ही नहीं सकता because 1 is not a prime number. And 42 also we know that even numbers are composite numbers because it comes in the table of 2. Next, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. Now 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42. Multiply करके 42 आ गया. Now we will check whether all these factors are prime or not. 2 is a prime number, we know. 3 is also a prime number and 7 is also a prime number. So yes, this is a prime factorization of 42 because इसको multiply करके भी 42 आया and all its factors are prime. And next is 6 and 7. 6 7 is 42. Here 6 is an even number and we know that even numbers are not a prime number because it comes in the table of 2 except 2. 2 is exception, मैंने पहले भी बताया. So here 6 is a even number and it comes in the table of 2 and 3 both. So it is a composite. So here the prime factorization, आपको word से ही पता लग रहा है prime. So keep it in mind prime. Prime factorization में आपके सारे factors कैसे होने चाहिए? Prime. So here is the answer. Why? Because all the factors are prime. 2, 3, 7, all 3 are prime numbers. Now I hope you understand what is prime factorization. Next is prime factorization of 36. 4 and 9. 4 9s are 36. Now 4 is a composite number, 9 is also a composite number. 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4. Both of them comes in the table of this comes in the table of 2 and this comes in the table of 3. So this is not a prime factorization. Next is 2 into 2 into 9. Here 2 is a prime number. 2 is again a prime number. But 9 is not a prime number. It is a composite number. So it is not a prime factorization. Next one is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So yes, 2 2 is a 4. 4 3 is a 12 and 12 3 is a 36. Now here all the factors are prime. 2 2 both are prime and 3 3 3 is also a prime factor. So this is the prime factorization of 36. In this way you can find out the prime factorization of 84. Try to do this yourself. Now come to this second question. State the answer in yes or no. Very simple. Here the prime factorization of some numbers are given. You have to tell whether it is a prime factorization or not. The prime factorization of 15 is 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. You know that 3 is a prime number and 5 is also a prime number. So yes, it is a prime factorization of 15. Next, the prime factorization of 50 is 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. First of all, check it. इनको multiply करके आता है या नहीं? 2 5s are 10, 10 5s are 50. So it is correct. Now we'll check whether all the factors are prime or not. So 2 is a prime number. Yes. 5 is again a prime number. This is also a prime number. So all the 3 are prime numbers. So yes, it is a prime factorization of 50. Now next, prime factorization of 90 is 2 into 5 into 9. Now here 2 5s are 10 and 10 9s are 90. So is it a prime factorization? Let us check. 2 is a prime number. 5 is again a prime number. But 9 is not a prime number. It is a composite number. Because it comes in the table of 3. So this is not a prime factorization of 90. So we'll write no over here. Now in the same way, you have to check whether these are prime factorization of given number or not. So try to find out the answers, yes or no, yourself. So I hope you come to know what is prime factorization. So try to solve these parts. D part which are left, D part, and in question number second, these 3 parts are left. So do it, try to solve it, try to find out the answer. And tomorrow we will, in next video, we will learn how to find the prime factorization. Here, we have just find out whether it is a given factorization is a prime factorization or not. बट अब हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में सीखेंगे किस तरह से प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन हमने ढूंढनी है, निकालनी है, करनी है. थैंक यू.